Hey guys, this is Who by Faith, and welcome back to my dining room. So, today we are going to take a little twist from what we normally do, and we're going to do a unboxing of my new Nama juicer. This is not a paid promotion. I haven't had a juicer in years. I used to have the old school Jack LaLanne juicer, but then whenever we were moving to Europe, excuse my vacuum, whenever we were moving to Europe, I knew that I could not take that juicer with me because of the change in the plugs and everything, the voltages. So I got rid of it, and I have not had a juicer ever since. I've been kind of blending my juices, but to a point where I'm kind of tired of straining them out. I do strain my juices whenever I blend them in the blender because I want to drink my juice. I don't want to chew it. And for some people, that doesn't matter to them. The texture doesn't matter to them. But for me, I cannot stand that. So let's get into unboxing this juicer, and then I'll come back to you with another video showing me actually using the juicer, and I will be doing another video for Whole New Perspectives Jarred Up 2023. So let's get into it. So it just arrived today. It did not take long to come in the mail, but what did take me a while was all the research that I was doing on different juicers. Because when I first got a juicer years and years and years ago, there weren't a lot of juicers on the market, and so it was easy to pick the best. But after doing some research, this cold press juicer, this Nama cold press juicer, seemed to be the best fit for what I'm going to use it for. So let's follow the instruction here that says open here. Okay, so inside this box we have box number 1, 2, 3, 4, and each one is actually labeled as to what it is. We have start here packet, and then we have the base of the juicer, and a nice warm welcome from Nama. So let's get this open. So inside the box that says base, you can see here, and just like my Jack LaLanne juicer, it does have a little weight to it. This is your on switch as well as your reverse switch. And then this next one is our chamber set. And in the chamber set comes the hopper, the chamber, the auger, the juice strainer, and the spinning brush. And if you have ever seen the different Nama juicers, this is the J1. So with the J1, you actually have to feed through here or through here. But with the J2, you can actually put all of your fruit into the base and vegetables into that base portion and go from there. I'm going to read some instructions in a minute, guys. I'm just kind of pulling everything out. And sitting it down. Let's just sit that there and then finally read some directions. So then in this portion, we have the container set. And in the container set, it contains your juice container, your cover, and your pulp container. So this is your juice container, and you can see that it has measurements so that you know exactly how much juice you have. And then this is your pulp container. So this next one is going to be our cleaning brush and our pusher. And of course our pusher goes down in here, or you can use it to push your items down in here. And this is actually the lid for this one, I believe. And then our last box is our smoothie strainer and our sorbet strainer. Okay, this is for your sorbet. This is your sorbet strainer, and it's for frozen fruit only. Use only with seedless frozen fruit. Do not use ice cubes, hard seeds, etc. It may cause damage to parts. And then this is your smoothie strainer. And then inside here already is our juice strainer. Anything apart, but inside there If you can see from the side, that's our juice strainer. So this will be washed prior to use. Even if I run it and run hot water through it. Then here is our start here guide. We all need to read directions. And so we're just going to take a quick look at what we have in the start here guide. So in our start here guide, what we have is Let's Juice Quick Start Guide. Our Nama recipe book. And this book has 70 pages worth of tips, tricks, recipes, nut milks. I'm very intrigued when it comes to the nut milk because a lot of times I can get my hands on free almonds, and I've watched YouTube videos where ladies and gentlemen have shown where they have made nut milk with their Nama Juicer 1 as well as their Juicer 2. Their J1 and their J2. And then the third booklet that comes in the packet is the Nama User Manual. So, of course, it tells you how to disassemble, how to assemble, how to prepare your ingredients for optimal juicing, how to clean it, how to get repairs and troubleshoot. So guys, thank you for coming along with me on this unboxing. This is part 1. So part 2, of course, y'all, I'm gonna get this thing on here because I know I'm just doing something crazy. Let's see. I mean, I know if I read the directions, I got it. So, let's see, open, close. So this right here is where your juicer cup goes. And then on this side, the chute on this side is where the pulp comes out. So your juicer cup goes on this side. And when you're ready for your juice to come out, you just pop that open. And then your pulp comes out this side. And so since I don't have any chickens, what I'm going to do with the pulp is bury it in my garden as compost. So that's just another way for me to give back to my garden. If you guys are familiar with Black's Tropical Homestead, they will be having the Soil Family Expo again this year. This will be the second Soil Family Expo that will be happening in Savannah, Georgia at the Savannah Children's Museum. It will be Thursday through Sunday. On Thursday, they will be going fishing, but if you cannot make it, then you can make it Friday through Sunday, and it will be March 30th, if I believe that's that Thursday, and it'll go through that weekend. So it'll be the 30th, the 31st, which will be that Friday, and then the 1st and the 2nd, Saturday and Sunday. And I will have fresh pressed juice at the Soil Family Expo as part of my booth, as well as my different teas, because of course it will be sipping tea and spilling the tea with Food by Faith Garden to Table. But again, guys, thank you for coming along with me on the journey of unboxing my Nama J1 juicer. And remember, as always, get up, get out, and grow something, and have faith in our food. I'll see you the next time for part 2.